Welcome to the Level 4 Data Analyst Qualification Brief video. This qualification is an ideal start for your career in data, or a progression route for existing data technicians. The brief summary of units include data principles, analyzing data, collating and formatting data, data communication presentation, sourcing data, continuous professional development, and problem solving. Showcasing portfolio. During your apprenticeship you will gather evidence as part of a portfolio to demonstrate your knowledge, skills, and behaviors. This will include completion of workbooks and knowledge questions, virtual observations, carried out in line with data protection and GDPR requirements, recorded professional discussions to capture reflective learning and understanding, witness testimonies from managers to verify on-the-job performance and competence. Forget about lugging around all your work. The online iLearner e-portfolio system means all your work can be uploaded directly to your account and accessed wherever you go. The system is easy to navigate and full guidance will be provided through our iLearner handbook and from your tutor through one-to-one support. Key features: a work-based qualification, flexible delivery to fit around your working pattern, all delivered over 24 months, depending on working hours. Off-the-job training. As part of your apprenticeship, you must complete a set number of off-the-job training, OTJT, hours, time away from your usual duties to develop skills, knowledge and behaviors linked to your standard. This can include training sessions, shadowing, coursework or industry events, all of which must be logged in your recorded learning log. The program is delivered through one-to-one distance learning sessions. These sessions are conducted every once or twice a month and last approximately 1.5 to 2 hours at a time, which is convenient for you. You complete the qualification with an endpoint assessment, EPA, which includes project with presentation and questioning, professional discussion with portfolio. You can achieve either a pass, merit or distinction based on your functional skills. Maths and English are an essential part of many apprenticeship courses. Apprentices aged 16 to 18 who have not previously achieved GCSE grade 9 to 4 or an A* to C, or an equivalent qualification, are required to complete and achieve their functional skills qualifications. However, for adult apprentices, 19 and over, functional skills are now optional and not a mandatory requirement for completing an apprenticeship. The decision is for the employer and the learner to decide whether to undertake these qualifications. Benefits of completing functional skills. Some higher-level roles and further qualifications require maths and English at level 1 or 2. Completing functional skills can open doors to promotions and further education. Strong communication and numerical skills are essential in most job roles, helping with tasks like report writing, budgeting, and problem solving. Functional skills help with real-life tasks, such as managing finances, understanding contracts, and effective communication in personal and professional settings. Functional skills are designed to be practical and flexible, meaning they can be tailored to fit around your apprenticeship work. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Watch our other videos here.